Video and camera work have never been easier when you can take your batteries on the go. You don't need power packs, and now with these type of NP F550 replacement batteries, you don't even need a charger. I use a lot of LED lights for my photography, and having to pack a power pack to go with those lights is a big pain. So first of all, it just adds more bulk to my gear, but then I always have to find where I can plug them in. So batteries have been a lifesaver. I tested these two out. These are off-brand NP F550 replacement batteries. These could work for video cameras, for lights, a variety of electronics. Now what's cool about them is that they actually charge really easily. They don't need a charger, but you can do them in a charger. But they have a USB Type-C charging port, and you get these two cables with them, and you can just charge these things right in your laptop, if you have a power bank, wall socket, anything that accepts your USB board, you can charge this. I did test these lights out. What I did is I just put both of these batteries in a single light, flipped the switch on, and just left it on continuously. And I did get about 45 minutes of continuous light on my LED light with these two batteries. So you can get a lot of use out of these. These do have an LED charging indicator, so you have 4 LED lights that will indicate 25, 50, 75, or 100% charged. So that's very convenient. You don't have to do any guesswork. You don't have to wait for the red light to turn off and the green light to turn on. You can actually see precisely how much energy these batteries have. These batteries do have an overcharge protection, so if you leave them charged past the time that they've reached their full capacity, it won't drain the battery. It actually will stop charging and then just do a trickle charge and hold. So I did do that test. I left it on there for over 2 hours, and when I came back, the batteries were still cool to the touch. So that was a good thing to see how that works. The specs on the directions say 2 hours to charge. I found that they charged actually a little bit faster than that. So another cool feature of these batteries is this test button on the rear side. So you have a button that you can test the status power of these batteries. I'm going to go ahead and turn down my lighting here just so you can see the lights. If I was to press this test button, right now all 4 blue lights lit up, so that lets me know that this battery is at full power. But if you ever had any question, you can test it really quickly. I'm hoping that this helped you make a decision if this is the type of battery that you need. I know it's made a big difference in my work. It's lightened the load that I've had to carry with me when I'm out on the job, and I'm really pleased with how long these batteries last and how easily they are to charge. I think basically the fact that they have the USB Type-C charging port, that's a game changer for me. And all I have to do to charge them is just pack these 2 extra cables, no charger required. I'm taking these in my bag, and now they're part of my everyday gear.